Start with one big circle, then one on top for his skull. Add another smaller circle for the ear and one bigger circle for his mouth. Add two big doofy circles for eyes. Connect his cranium to the lower half of his face. Add some sprouts for hair, a sagging oval for his mouth, two small circles for his nostrils. Add two very small circles for pupils. Now give him some juicy cheeks. Add that line that drops between your nostrils. Now outline those pesky nostrils. Then add a few wrinkles because he's a gorilla after all. Add the fold to his ear. Give him a thin lip around his mouth, poor chap. Add a small eyelid and then give some depth to his nostrils so he can pick them. Gross. Add some teeth and a fat tongue and one tiny curve to finish out his head. Don't forget to fill in your circles, Forgetful Fred. Erase your extra lines and there you have it. One confused, doofy gorilla. Hope you had bananas of fun.